Hi my friends, welcome back. Today we are taking a look at the AP ALLPOWERS power station system. Let's go ahead and unbox it and show you guys what you get. It comes with a nice little pamphlet. Got a bunch of papers in here. It looks like it comes shipped nice and protected. Looks like an accessory bag. Alright, power plug. Also solar panel connector. So if you want to connect solar panels, you can connect them. They provide you with the plug and wire. That's awesome. We'll set that off to the side for now. Okay, my friends, a couple things. It has wireless charging on the top here. It has a really nice carrying handle. Very nice size. It's heavy, but it's not, too heavy. Most people should be able to easily carry this. Take a look. First, let's take a look on the side here. I love how it's vented all around. On the sides. Alright, on the side here, if you flip this up, if you don't have nails like me, just simply use a sharp object. This has an AC charge, AC overload, solar circuit. So in here is where you connect your power or your solar panels right through here. And then there's a circuit breaker reset, which is really nice. We're going to go ahead and take that power supply. Plug this in right here. We'll set that off to the side. Nice anti-skid little legs on the bottom. And here we can see some more information. Capacity 299Wh, 25.6 volts. Let's see, AC. So it can charge 400 watts max. The solar, it can handle 12 amps, 300 watts max. All right. For the output, so this is plugging stuff inside. For the AC output, which if you guys don't know AC, it would be your grounded or two-prong plugs. It can handle 600 watts max or surge up to 1200 watts. So that's great. And this is what it looks like on the front. You have your DC port right here. 12 volt, 10 amp ports right here. You have two AC ports, which are both grounded. This is a pure wave power station as well. So two AC ports. You have your power buttons for those as well. You have two Type-C ports, two USB ports. You have your display, which is going to be right up here, and then your light. Power buttons right here. It loads. It does have Bluetooth as well. 88% power. It tells you that your time remaining, and we'll show you guys up close here. So it says how many days, and it goes through all the settings, which is really cool. It tells you your input and output. You have your light right here as well, which is nice. This is great for camping, survival, and for all home and vehicle use. Let's go ahead and plug in the power supply and see how that looks once you have it plugged in. All right. So once plugged in, 161 watts it's pulling in. It says 11 minutes recharge, 10 minutes, 11 minutes. So I believe that's how long it's going to take to charge completely full, is 11 minutes. When it's plugged in, you can't turn the power off. It continues and maintains power. If you want to use the USB ports, make sure you press the power button for the USB ports. Same with the AC ports. If you want to use them, turn it on. But when it's charging, it looks like it's already on. Let's go ahead and take a look here and see how it is when we connect stuff. All right, let's go ahead and try this out as we plug in to charge our battery here. All right, we can now take a look and we see input and output. 14 watts is out, 139, 140 is in. I love the display. I love how it says and shows everything. That is really nice. Overall, it's a nice little unit, nice portable power station to take with you on the go. Again, if you have solar panels, you can connect your solar panels up to this as well.